Hi, I'm Alex, and today I would like to show you how I made animation like this for my website, and also discover other options that you can have for adding 2D or 3D on your website or the app. Let's go. So first option is use Spline, and if we go to the editor, I think it's still free, kind of better for React, but it's basically like 3D Max. You can edit the scene like this. You can zoom in and zoom out, but the nice part is pretty easy to export actually. So basically for React app, you just copy this code, uh, go to your React app and just basically place it here. The one downside, I think you can't download it properly, at least for a free tier. And also it takes quite a lot of time to load. So I built a test app. So if we go here and use Spline, so as you can see, it takes for a while to load, and if we run the performance insights, the new things from the Google DevTools. So yeah, you see it's actually the time to interaction is 2.5 seconds. It's not like really bad, but it still takes time. So you see when it's loaded, the largest contentful paint is 0.21, but here when you can interact, actually it takes 2 seconds. So the option number 2 is use Lottie. I think it's pretty cool because it's use SVG instead of the canvas. I think they have an editor, but I don't see much you can do here. As I remember, they have an Adobe extension that you can do much more advanced animation, and they also have a library of the pretty simple animation like loaders or whatever. And as you can see, that's basically time to interaction is almost half a second. And I guess it's quite okay. It's weighed 75 kilobytes with the minified and zipped. And the last but not least option is actually the Rive that I used before on my Flutter app. It can produce a kind of interactive animation. So if we go to that, you can see that it actually can react on what the user doing actually. And the cool part about this is I think the editor is quite nice. It's super simple, not much to do. Basically just like more like Flash time, Adobe Flash I mean. Then you can do keyframes and animate the scene. And also it's pretty easy to inject it to the app or web application. So if we go to our test app here, home, Rive, as you can see it's loaded pretty quick. And if we run our performance tests, you can see it's also kind of half a second. Yeah, if we look at the bundle phobia, it's actually weight 23 kilobytes minified and zipped. So it's pretty good. And also one more thing. Basically, I found this software called Monster Mesh. And what you can do, you can create the AI image like I did and basically open here, import template image, and then like this. Then you basically draw around the shape that you want to make kind of 3D like this. And then you click inflate. So when it's inflated, you can actually get an expert kind of like more like a balloon or a 3D object that you can lately place in any 3D editor and maybe tweak it a little bit to create the end result. I hope and I think actually that Spline will have it soon, like basically by AI prompt create the 3D model. So I'm actually waiting this and I will update you when it's ready. So yeah, that's it for today. It's a short video, but I think it's pretty cool that we have more options to add pretty cool 3D things on our websites. So yeah, if you like to stay tuned, you know what to do. Peace.